Hi guys, I'm welcoming you all to for S&S Performance mufflers. I think once the official video was out some days back, and I believe that we all had enjoyed it a lot. So after this, this is the first video I'm making. I think I am the first one. I hope so that I've received it, and this is the first video because I've seen there are no other videos apart from one official video being shot by S&S. So let's see how it looks like on Continental GT650. So well, this product I've been waiting for long, so I booked it around last month in July, around 16th of July, somewhere around that time that I've booked this product, mufflers, and it's a high performance note in Delhi, Maroli Road. This is a particular company that has been dealing into it. So I thought, why shouldn't I go for it? Because I felt like, it's better that instead of, I save a lot of money that way, try to reuse on clothing to go outside. So I prevent that, saved some money, and I thought that, how about buying an S&S? So guys, the current price at high performance note is around 49,000, and well, this is a good company. The product that I've received, I'll show you right now. So the product it's all completely packed and it looks good. And let's see how this muffler looks into. So I'll unpack the box first, and once the box is unpacked, let's see how it fits into the Continental GT. And I think, just like me, everybody's waiting for it to hear the sound of it, because on official videos, sounds may differ and they may be good. But on the real video, if you see where you don't have much of the additions been done to the video, what you see and hear is the clear voice, and that's how you can, feel or how it looks like on it. So this is the first one. I think I'm the first one to get from high performance note, and today is on the 18th. I bought it yesterday, and I thought to get installed. Today is Sunday, so on 18th of August 2019. So I'm just going to install it and see how it sounds. I think we just want to hear that crazy loving sound. So one thing more about this S&S exhaust is that they have started. This is a sports mention is there on the mufflers. So let's listen. I think let's not keep you waiting for it. You should just listen to it, just feel it. I think it's the heart of everyone. It's the heart of the bike. What you see actually comes out of it, and I believe that you should see how it looks like, and I believe that you should buy it. I mean, the thing is that just thinking about the 80 decibel sound of it should come down below that. So I don't think so it will be possible, but I'm looking out to that. So the decibel sound can be reduced, but it has whatever sound it has. So on Sunday riding, some outskirts traveling, or traveling in Delhi NCR, early in the morning or late in the evening, sometimes might just do not get hold of the cops, because due to the sound decibel, how much it gets out of it. So it is the down decibel sound. So let's see. I think the sound would be much higher than that. Maybe. Let's see it. So it's a good company. I mean, the kind of performance has given it taken a time, but they have given me a consistency. They have asked me to photograph them, and I just taken it. I think he said that the first person to take it in Delhi NCR, they're the first company to buy it, procure. I don't know much. Maybe some other companies might be there to procure it, but he said that the first one to take it from here. And once you install it, just bring your bike there, and you can just have some shots down at his shop. So I said, yes, why not? I can come down. So let's put it on the bike. I'll just open up the contents, and let's see how it looks like on the bike. It would sound good. I think it's the men know it better, and the men know the better the sound of the bike is in the mufflers. And this muffler, here it goes, guys. This is the delivery I've taken. This is how it looks like. The best part is that The high performance note guys have helped me out, and they have, they have not even opened it. It's as packed as received. Now you can see on the top of the box, this is the warning that they've written that the product can expose you to chemical including chromium, which is known to the state of California in case to cause cancer, birth defects, or other preventive disease. So this is a normal hazardous warning. Otherwise, made in USA is the tag, made in USA. Open from this side. I'll show you this is some some local authentication from USA where they would be using it. It's been authorized for their muffler, working on that for their muffler use. And yes, again the same thing, limited edition warranty and all those. So I don't know much about this. Is a pack that I've received. It's totally new, brand new. It's not been opened yet. I haven't seen what all it has. From this side, let's see. Yes. Oh, this pen punches. Here goes the third one. Tightly now. Where? So it goes like this, and this. You can see there's two things inside, and this is where everything lies. Oh wow. Now this is an outer box. You can see. Here it comes, the muffler. Wow, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. So this is the one just talking about. S&S exhaust, guys. And it's quite heavy, not that much heavy, but it's better than the current one. It's a race only. It's a race only. Something I can show you. This is an S&S stamp, and this is race only, and it's a beautiful finish. It's very nice and clean. Hello, and there it goes from inside. I hope you cannot see. Can you see? I don't know. This is how it looks like. The best thing is, let me see how it fits in. And here's the screw. You can take out this. These are debit reducers. Guys, can see it. Wow, that's great. And here comes the second one. It's nothing much in it. I think putting it into it is the most easiest and right thing. So just a basic, you won't have anything. There's a small booklet. You would see that some instructions are mentioned on it. So installation procedures and everything is written on it. And the normal course, if you see that it doesn't have anything else. I mean, it's just the mufflers. It all is all what it has. Be nice, and I'll just mount it and see how it goes. Looks good and great from inside. Yeah, looks good. Now the only thing is that there will be a challenge, because I don't think so. This screw just mentioned here, you can see here it's a punch, and from here, if I see that it has a ring, so it's a normal first. It will be a screw, and I don't know how it will be open. I'm not sure about it. Let's see. So guys, let's mount it. Well guys, let's have the look finally. Well, this is the one. Oh, now see how well it fits in. It's coming out fine. Like I mean, the only thing you just need to know is that you just need to take this thing out. You just need to take this thing out, and then just put in the two screws. And here you need just need to adjust this. That's all. That's done. It's done. It doesn't look good. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. On the other side. Yeah, looks pretty perfect. Let's start this now. I think you guys must be waiting for it. The exhaust, how it sounds, that's more important. Let's listen to it. So there you go. Click of the button.